-6 divided by 5.
Negative 6 divided by 5?
Hmm.
No. Okay, let's see. I find something different. Okay. This will be -5 squared. What do we get here?
We get 25 or 5 squared.
Okay. 25. Okay. Times this one.
-1 over 125.
Okay. I'm going to write here the negative, and 125. And here,
Um, -8.
yes, divided by, okay, still I'm going to 1/4. Yes, this will be squared, so this is positive. And here we will have this. It's an odd power. We will get -1, -1, and negative. We will get +1. Okay. So, okay. Here we will get 1/5 when we work with this and this. Okay. 1 divided by 5 minus. Here we are going to divide 8 by 1/4. I think that we will get 32 plus 32 plus 1. No, 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 no. This is wrong because we got here a negative sign. Okay. -32. So we will get -31 1/5. And we can write this 156 divided by 5. You already find what is your um, ¿ya encontraste en dónde cometiste el error?
Sí,
Okay.
ah,
I,
cuando se 2 to the power of 3 divided by -1/2 squared, I multiplied both instead of dividing.
okay. Okay. Yes. Well, now we are going to try the next. Yes. You already have solved the number one?
See,
Okay. What do you get?
uh, 17.
17. And this one, 17? I don't think so. How do you solve it? How do you solve this? Those are tricky. They were made intending that we made some mistakes. We must find something. They test if our skills in making, in writing and making algebra. So how do you solve this?
So I expanded the sum of fractions,
Okay.
um, and it expands. So the numerator is 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. eh, And the denominator is 2 times 3 times 5 times 7.
Um, this the first one must be 3 times 5 times 7. This divided by this gives 1/2. The second must be 2 times 3 times 7. The third must be uh, no, I don't think so. The second must be 2 times 5 times 7. The next must be 2 times 3 times 7. And the next must be 2 times 3 times 5. Here we don't have the 2. Here we don't have the 3. Here we don't have the 5. And here we don't have the 7. This is this part. Now we need to multiply this. I think that you get something different here. It's not 17. It's another, it's very different. We are going to try one by one. When you get the answer of this one, we are going to check. Okay, let's try this. It's very important to write. I know that it's difficult to write in the screen, but we have paper. Okay. We can multiply this by every one of these numbers. We can multiply this by every fraction. Okay. We multiply this by this, we will get 3 times 5 times 7. Okay. We have multiplied this. Okay. The next the next term will be when we multiply what we will get when we multiply this.
We will get 2 times 5 times 7.
2 times 5 times 7. And when we multiply this,
2 times 3 times 7.
okay, 2 times 3 times 7. Okay. On the next,
2 times 3 times 5.
2 times. Working with fraction, it's very cumbersome. It's the word. It's difficult. We can fail very easily. It's use Usually we make some mistake when we use fractions. So we try to get rid of them, and here we will have uh, easier options.
247.
Yes, that's right. 247. Okay, now let's try 2. And we're going to try to find the easiest way to solve this.
-8.
Uh, yeah, yeah, that was very fast. What do you do?
So negative 0.125 is -1/8. So that's -1/8 to the power of 7. And -1 to the power of 7 is -1.
Okay,
So It's negative 1 over 8 to the 7 times 8 to the 8, and it cancels, so it's negative 8.
Okay, yes, that's right. Okay, that was very fast. Now we're going to try 3.
242.
42. Yes, that's right. Yeah, 3. It's 242. Okay. For the well, don't forget that we are looking for the expression with maximal value. Okay, so maybe we don't need to make all the. We already know that this is greater than any one of the other two. 247. I think that this is still winning. Okay. So I think that this will be 7. This is 6, 6.6. This is lower than 6 squared. And this one, it's lower than 3 squared. Okay. And this is equal to 45. So this is lower than 45. Now let's try the other one and try to, you know, can you find a fast way for discarding this one.
Sí.
Okay, let's see. ¿Cómo lo hiciste, Sebastián?
So negative 6/7 to the power of 7 is some negative number
Okay,
times, so -1 times 6/7 to the power of 7. 6/7 is smaller than 1, so 6 divided by 7 to the power of 7 is a small negative number.
okay,
So that means um if the expression didn't have it, it would be bigger. So
okay.
so we
I,
can
yes, yes.
to make an upper bound.
Okay, well,
Then
yes,
um
yes.
-4/5 times -4/9 is a positive number less than 1, and so is 16/18.
Okay,
So when you multiply a positive number less than 1 by a number, well, it's basically 10 minus 2/3. It's going to be smaller than 10 minus 2/3, and since 10 minus 2/3 is is smaller than 247, um, it means that it's not as big as number 1.
okay. I rounded this. This is less than 10. Okay, and I think this is less than 1, and this is also less than 1. So this is less than 2. So this is bigger than 20 is bigger than this one, and 20 is less than 200 and 247. Okay, that's the way for that's the way that I did it. Okay, let's let's try the next one. This. Let's evaluate this. Uh, okay. See, let's see.
Mm.
This is for me. This is a reminder that I must change this sequence. I think that this is easier than any of them. Okay. You already have solved this?
Okay.
Okay. This is easier. This is very easy. Okay. What what do you do?
So, I rewrote um nine. I rewrote 999,999,999 as 1 billion minus one.
Okay.
So I subtracted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times a billion minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Mhm. Okay. That was very easy. Okay. Well, there is something strange. It's maybe this will sound strange, but in Mexico and in some countries that speak Spanish, you call it this billion, and this, how do you call this?
A trillion.
Okay. You multiply every number by 1,000. Yes. In Mexico, this is un billón. We multiply it by 1,000,000. This is billón and trillón. We call it trillón with this one. Okay, it's only one strange thing that we use in the numbers. Okay, let's try this one.
What did find?
Okay, I'm going to correct this one. We need here, and this must be squared. No, this will be a 3 with the power of 3. Okay, let's get back to this one.
13,579.
Yes, that's right. How do you solve it?
So let 13,579 be n. So n divided by negative n squared. Negative n squared is n squared.
Okay. N squared. Yes.
Plus, well, factor out the minus.
Okay.
Um, so minus n minus 1 times n plus 1.
Okay. That's right.
This is the difference of squares.
Okay.
So n squared minus n squared um minus 1.
Mhm.
So that is n divided by 1.
Okay. Good. Very good. I like that. That was a very clever way for solving this. Okay. Let's correct this. This will be a 3. Okay. This power is 3. Do you know how to factor something like this?
No,
Okay. That will be important. Um, let's see. We're going to factor x at 3 plus y at 3. We can factor this like x plus y multiplied by x squared minus xy plus y squared. Okay? If we make this multiplication, we will get we're going to multiply this by this. We will get x cubed minus x squared y plus x y squared. And if we multiply this by this, we will get plus x squared y. When we multiply this by this, minus xy squared plus y cubed. Okay? So we can uh, we can get rid of this and we will get this one. This is very important. Okay? You will know this factoring. I don't know the name in English. Let me see. I don't know if this in Spanish we say suma de cubos. Maybe in English is cube addition. Let me see. Well, but this is very important. I can find this in English. Well, we will find the name afterwards. Okay, this is important too. X five 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 can be factored this way: x plus y times x 4. Okay, we can find here a pattern. We will have minus plus minus plus. We will have x at 4, x at 3, x squared, x, and x 0. We don't need to write this. And here we will have y4, y3, y2, and y. This is how we factor this one. Okay? Wikipedia, artículo. Okay. English. Well, this is what I found in Wikipedia. In mathematics, the sum of two cubes is a cube number added to another cube number. And here we have the factorization. Okay, let's try to use this one. You must know this, and you must know also this. And if we have x n plus y n, this will be x plus y times x n minus 1 y 0 minus okay, we need to okay, minus 1 x n minus 2 y 1. This power, it's the same that the power of y. Okay, plus. This sign depends of this power. This is minus 1. Oh. Okay, so this power will make that the sign change every time. Okay. Two. Moves and 1 y and minus 2 minus 1 and minus 2 times minus 1 and minus 1 and 0 x 0 y and minus 1. Every time that if n is odd. We can use this factor only when the powers are odd. Okay?
100.
Yes, that's right. Okay. You factor use the factor. I already learned. Okay, that's right. Okay, let's do the next one. You already have made this. Okay, this will be very important. Okay. This is a very long operation. Let's see if you see something. Let's see this one. We will get 30, okay? This will be 56. This will be 42. This will be 72. Okay. Now we can write this 5 times 6. This will be 7 times 8. This one. This will be 6 times 7. This will be 8 times 9. Okay, if we see this number, if this is n, this will be n plus 3. N times n plus 3. And every time we add 2. So we will have this, okay? If we multiply this, we will have n squared plus 3n plus 2. And we can factor this, and we need two numbers that multiplied gives 2. And when we add those numbers, we will get 3. So we will have plus 1. We will have plus 1 plus 2. So we can see that if we have 4 here, we will have 5 and 6. 6 here, 7, 8. 8 here, we will get 9, 10. So we have something that we can simplify. Okay. If we still work with this, we continue working with this, we will have, okay, maybe n times n plus 3 plus 2 is equal n plus 1 plus n plus 2 times n plus 2. So we will have here multiplication, and we will have 101 times 102. And here we will have 100 times 101. So we can see that we will, I think that this is, okay, this cancel this cancel this cancel this cancel this. I think that we have here something strange. Okay. Here we will have, yes, 100 times 100, no, 101 times 102. And we will have, before this, we will have 100 times 99. Let's see. For a moment, I think that we will have here, we will have one number here and one number here, one in the numerator and one in the denominator. But if we check this, these numbers are 2x plus 2. Okay. These numbers are of the form 2x plus 2. Hey, 2x plus 2. And this is 2x plus 3. Okay. If we go, because we are using 100, if we simplify, we will have 2x equals 98, x equals 49. We have 49 factors here. And here we will reach 99. So 2x equals, maybe I need to use a different letter. 96, x, it's 48. We have one factor here, one factor more. So we get rid of all this and this. Eliminate this one, and we will have 5 times 102. 510. Okay. Well, bueno, Sebastián, son las 12. Nos vemos mañana. ¿Quieres que sigamos haciendo álgebra o quieres algún tema en especial?
Sigamos con
Con estos.
álgebra.
Okay. Okay. Tomorrow we will work with the rest. Okay. And I will look for more problems like this. Okay. Nos vemos mañana, Sebastián. Que estés muy bien. Bonito día.